Hello everyone, welcome to Free Tutorials India. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change splash screen icon in less than 5 minutes. So let's start. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the splash icon. If you want to learn how you can, implement the splash screen in iOS, I've created a video. You can watch it. I'll give you the link in the description as well as in the I button. So today I'll show you how you can change the icon of your splash screen. Earlier, if you remember, if you have seen my earlier video, you can see this is the icon that we have used. Now I've created an icon and I'll show you how you can change it. You just need to go to images and here you can delete this icon. Just delete it. And I've created an icon for this application which is Moneybox. So I'll just drag and drop it. If you want to learn how you can create app icons free of cost, I'll also create a video for that so that you'll be able to learn how you can create an app icon. So this is how your Moneybox app icon will look like. So we just need to drag it in the center. This is the center. I'll just make it a little big. So as you can see, this is the Moneybox icon. And this is all you have to do to change the icon for your splash screen. And there are just two steps. The important step is you need to close your Xcode, close this and do cd ios pod install. And once the pod install is done, you have to open everything again. This is the main step that many people actually forgot. So once the pod install been done, I'll show you the new app icon for our application Moneybox. From tomorrow, I'll also start doing the setup for the login screens, sign up screens. We'll search some designs online and we'll start creating the designs for it. And we'll also implement the app icon. We'll also create an app icon and then we'll start further. So as you can see, pod install is done. Now I'll just go to projects and Moneybox. So once it will run, I'll show you the new app icon. Let me show you the new splash icon. So let me click here. As you can see, Moneybox, this is my new splash icon. So it is very easy in iOS. Let me just show you again. Moneybox, it's very easy. In tomorrow's video, I'll show you how you can add an app icon. As you can see, shortcuts, content, everybody has icon, and in Moneybox there is no icon. Tomorrow I'll show you how you can add an app icon in iOS. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how you can implement a splash screen first, then you can see my previous video. And have a great day. Stay safe, stay inside. Bye bye.